Today's recipe: biryani in 3 steps. Step 1. Meat curry. Take 500-gram meat. Add 2 chopped onion, 2 bay leaves, 4 cloves, 5 to 6 cardamom, 2 cinnamon, ½ teaspoon each red chili and cumin powder, 1 teaspoon each coriander, garam masala and biryani masala powder, 3 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon yogurt, salt to taste, 4 green chilies. Mix well. Put it in rest for 30 minutes. In a pan, add 2 tablespoon oil. Add marinated ghee. Cook in high heat. Without lid, cook for 25 minutes. With lid, cook for 35 minutes. While the meat is 70% cooked, add 1½ cups boiled water. Add 2 potatoes, each potato sliced in 4 pieces. Cook for another 20 minutes. Now pick up the curry in another bowl. Step 2. Rice. In the same pan, add 2 teaspoon ghee, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 chopped onion, 2 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon, 4 cardamom, 4 cloves. Add 3 cups rice. Salt to taste. After frying well, add 4 cups boiled water, 1 cup milk, while the rice is 90% cooked. Time for Step 3. Mixing. Mix the meat curry with the rice. Mix it well, up and down. Add 4 green chilies for flavor. Put it in low heat with lid for 20 more minutes. Very tasty biryani is ready. Enjoy, like, and subscribe.